Hey there, welcome to Flatbread Friday, and they are predicting snow for the first time since I've been in North Carolina, and it's funny because they're predicting snow. Yesterday they closed the schools early because of rain, and then today they canceled school because of snow, 1 to 3 inches expected, and it hasn't even started yet, and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's a joke. From all you people in the north, anyone watching me in the south, you get it. And so today, you know me, I look for ingredients that I have on hand, and I came up with this kind of fun idea. I'm going to make a chicken egg roll pizza, and I had the chicken left over from when I did the air fryer chicken thighs, and I had some cabbage and carrots and ginger and garlic and scallions in my refrigerator, and I'm gonna put together kind of a fun sauce or base for our pizza, and then we're gonna top it just like an egg roll, and then we're gonna fry up some wontons, some egg roll wrappers in the air fryer, and put a nice crispy crunch on top when it's done. And it sounds like a lot of fun, and let's play along. We're gonna heat a skillet over medium heat, and we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to that skillet. Okay, we're starting to get soft, and just to help them along, we're going to give them a little splash of soy sauce. Stir that in. Oh, you should smell this. It smells incredible. Okay, I've turned off the heat, and we are going to add about 4 ounces of cream cheese going in. And we're going to break that up and melt it with the vegetables and ginger and soy sauce. And when that's all melted, it's going to be creamy and fabulous. Okay, here we have our creamy, flavorful Asian base for our pizza. And now we're going to build the rest of the ingredients. As I said in the intro, we're going to use some cabbage and some carrots. And I thought I'd have a little fun with the cabbage and flavor it up a bit. So, to this cabbage, we're going to add some toasted sesame oil. Just a little bit. And a splash of honey. And some sesame seeds, if I can get the top off. Yeah, there we go. Oh, those smell so good. Crunch. All right, our cabbage topping is le fini. Let me do this so I can turn. We have my favorite pizza crust, and there it is, laid out on the paper. Now we're going to transfer it to a baking sheet lined with parchment. Okay, we're all laid out. As you can see, I've made a little stand-up crust all the way around because that's what I like. We have our pizza spread, aka sort of sauce. Okay, our spread is on. That's our pizza base. And before we put on our cheese, we're going to put down our chicken. We like to put chicken underneath the cheese so it doesn't dry out. And this chicken is already cooked, so we want to make sure it doesn't dry out. Okay, chicken's on. Now I'm going to use mozzarella because mozzarella is a sort of a very mild cheese, which isn't going to take away from our Asian flavors. But, you know, pizza has cheese. I have here some shredded carrots. Those are going to go on first. Color and crunchiness and flavor and vitamin A. Next goes our cabbage. Okay, we are now ready to go in the oven. I took some egg rolls and I cut them into strips, and I cut the strips in half to make sort of wonton chips. I don't know if you can see them. And we're gonna do them in small batches here in the air fryer, and it doesn't take long to do it. First thing I'm gonna do is take out the basket. Oh, I had to do a practice run just to make sure this was gonna work. And we're going to scatter them around in as much of a single layer as possible. spraying this non-stick cooking spray. And they're gonna go in at 370 degrees. As you can see, they're not done, but we're gonna toss them around a little bit so they get evenly dispersed, I think, because we only sprayed the one side with the spray. We're gonna spray again. And then this little bunch right here needs to be separated. And we're gonna go back in for another minute. I'm bumping this up to 380. Let's do 2 minutes. There's our timer. Here's our super crispy wontons. These aren't gonna get cooked yet. They're just really a topping, a garnish, or just a little spicy addition. Not spicy, crunchy addition. Wrong words. Okay, we'll clean you later. Toss this together. I was, in the meantime, while the second batch was cooking, I was breaking up the first one into smaller pieces so we could, sprinkle them on nice and evenly. So here they are. This is our egg. This is the egg roll part of our pizza, and we'll be back with the rest. Okay, our chicken egg roll pizza is out of the oven, and it looks beautiful. And I love how all the sesame seeds have kind of risen to the top. You probably can't see it from there, but anyway, we're gonna bring you up and give you a little up close and personal. And in just a minute, we are gonna cut this pizza up and garnish it and serve it. Okay, we're ready to cut this guy up. And I can't wait to taste it. Okay, we're all cut up and ready to go. Okay, there's a close-up of our lovely pizza. We're gonna take a little handful of on the pizza, not always on the plate. And then I thought a little pinch of fresh cilantro would be good too. So there we are, and there we are. And that would make a fantastic egg, but it's Friday, so it became a pizza. I hope you all enjoy your weekend, and happy Flatbread Friday. Celebrate every day. Don't forget.